my huge sunflower plant. It got so tall and heavy that it bent over. And my hibiscus plant has one bloom on it. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. It's beautiful. And then right over here, echinacea plant. There is a butterfly. How beautiful is that? Oh. Here I have my yellow bell peppers. They're finally starting to flower. And this one is the orange bell pepper, and then those are red bell peppers, and I do see some buds. Yeah, there's some flowers coming out on that one. And more cayenne peppers. I've harvested so many cayenne peppers. I'm definitely going to be making some cayenne powder with all the peppers. And then right here are more cayenne peppers, lots of flowers. So I'll be seeing some more peppers. And then here are my habaneros, and they're not doing so well. I don't know if something's eating them or the leaves are just dying off, but I do see one flower finally. Just one. Oh, there's another one there. So I'm excited. And then this big plant here is my okra plant, and I finally have a flower. I was gone out of town, so I believe I did miss some flowers. Finally get to see one because they are so beautiful. Look at that. Just gorgeous. Plant's getting pretty tall. So then next to it I have some smaller plants. I don't really see anything going on with those. Beautiful marigolds. I have my black-eyed peas. There's actually more peas on here than I thought. Lots of flowers. But yeah, you can see all the pea pods forming. It's pretty viney. Didn't know it was going to be this viney, or I would have planted them differently. But yeah, it's a pretty big plant. Pretty big. I think that's like 5 plants, 5 or 6. So I have one that I just put out here not too long ago. It's still pretty small. And then there's not much going on in here. I did have some watermelon growing, 2 watermelons, but they both have died off. So unfortunately, they didn't make it. They were so cute. Peach tree has a lot of new leaves, so it's still very much alive. Oh, and the grapevine over here, no grapes, but it's still producing a lot of new leaves. So maybe next year. So then over here in this garden bed, lots of good things happening. The cantaloupe is taking over this half of the garden bed, which I don't mind because the cantaloupe is doing so well. And actually some little fruit. There's one there. And I saw maybe a couple more on the other side I will show you. My turnips are finally growing. I had to cover them up to stop something from eating them. And I have more okra. There's actually a worm in there. That's not cool. I'm gonna have to get him. Yeah, more chickpeas. This is my cherry tomato plant. It's got a lot of leaves on it, and the fruit is finally starting to turn. So that's cool. I think there's some flowers, and some more little tomatoes in there. And then I have my cayenne pepper. No peppers on here, but I did harvest peppers a few days ago. And then this is my red bell pepper plant. And there's that pepper, and it still hasn't, it's growing, it hasn't started to turn red yet. It's looking good. And then my strawberries over here in my little strawberry patch seem to be doing quite well. The strawberries that are closer to the water source here seem to be doing a lot better than the other strawberry plants. Check it out, look how much bigger it's grown since the last video that I did when I showed you guys the strawberries. That one's looking good, has flowers. That's awesome. I'm not sure what this is. I'm assuming that it may be some type of lettuce, so I'm just going to let it grow. But the pot still has water in it, so that's cool. And here's another strawberry plant. It's doing well. And then here is the cantaloupe that has taken over. I have my black-eyed peas. It has grown so much over here, and more chickpeas. That's the pepper plant, cayenne pepper. So yeah, let me show you the other cantaloupe, little baby cantaloupe that I saw. I'm not gonna touch it. And there it is down there. Super cute. But yeah, it has lots of female flowers. There's one there, lots of male. So I am super hopeful that I will at least get one cantaloupe out of this plant. And yes, I did grow this from seeds. Alright, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do give it a like if you did, and subscribe if you have not. Alright, I'll see you in the next garden update, probably in about another week or so. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.